I've just been sitting here, right, being like, this is very familiar, like this area. I'm pretty sure I've stopped or parked here before, and I have. I've parked here, went to go look at a hole, didn't record anything for YouTube, to what I was like at the time, but I didn't stay here because someone else rocked up, and it was actually where I mentioned, let me show you, where I mentioned, hello ship, where I parked last time was just over the crest. And I left because another motorhome came and parked next to it. And I actually pulled into a spot to let someone pass on the way over here. It was actually the parking spot for the walk to the hole. Tempted to go drive back down, park up and go to the hole. Yeah, if I remember rightly, just in the heather there is the Cataract hole. Just big chilling hole in the ground. It was pretty cool, like, I'm not gonna lie, I enjoyed it. It's also pretty cool temperature wise. Alright, let's go have a look at a hole in the ground. That's the spot. I'm not blocking the gate, I'm not blocking the road. Let's get up here. It'll be about 10-15 minutes to the hole. Nice windy and sunny 10-15. Oh yep, that's my turn off. Go up a bit further into the heather. Oh yes. This is where you find holes in the ground, in the heather. Ah yes, this is my turn off. Further into the heather. The thickening heather. What may lead this path be? Right, I believe I'm arriving. Arriving where, you may ask? Well, I think I'll show you. So I'm arriving somewhere the Catarans used to use, people by route on their good goods. Now they were a group of, the Catarans were a group of Scottish outlaws. They're not too distant past. This bit of land I'm standing on here was Scotland, and then England, and then Scotland. Now it's England again. Let me quickly show you the van. There it is, all parked up. And then without further ado, let me show you the hole in the ground. Let's have a little walk down here. Let's take a look at that in the hole. I've been in here before and I know it would be nice and cool if nothing else.
Let's get down these stairs. It'll be moist in here because it was raining yesterday. Oh yeah, very moist. It's like trying to slip. It's very chilly as well. It is lovely. Right, oh.
Here we are in the Cataract hole. What a beaut. It's lovely when it's just rained, like, I must admit. I think I'll have to get the flash on. Oh, and show you the boot, eh? Let's do that. Alright, we got the torch on. Let this begin. The big tour of Cataract hole. Now I feel pretty confident leaving that there. It is lovely in here. Lovely and cool. Yeah, so these are all the transcriptions from the early 2000s. Who loves who? Who sucks cock? What a place. There'll be people finding this in 1,000 years and it will be tremendous. So let's go further in. I've got a little fly or something just chilling with us, being like, I'll keep you company, mate. Looks like someone had a candle on the gun. We've got some more ancient transcriptions and artistries. Now what would that be? Put it in the comments what that is. With your little fidgety fingers. I love a good hole in the ground, like, let's keep on going. We've got a bit more good up here. We're getting in it, like, we're getting in it. Let's keep going. I don't know how much you can actually see, to be fair. A little bit down there. So they got the ceiling. You see the bloody fault line or whatever it is that's, you know, created this gap here. It's not that wide. It's not the widest gap in the world, you know. Let's have a bloody scoot, a little squeeze on down here. Got some water dripping. Lovely moist rocks. Got some water dripping from the top there. Let's keep going down here. Let's not knock any rocks. Right, squeeze on through here. Can't do that because I can't see fucking anything in front of me now. Couldn't see a thing in front of me. It's like a beach in here. Yeah, so back in the day, Scotland, or England in this case, very volcanic. Oh, this is some earlier stuff back from 2008 or 1908, who knows. Now that is as far as I am going. I am not a skinny boy, and I would not be getting through or back out of there at all.
So just like, yeah.
I don't like it.
Oh, I'm gonna get dirty though.
I don't like it. Oh, is that the actual hole?
Yeah, this is the end. It's all angle. How dirty I would get.
So?
Part of this is
What
exploring then.
for?
Don't waste the die here. Oh yeah.
Like, you
I can do that thing what people do when they go jump through the rocks and that.
Yeah. This isn't like one of those cheese presents.
It's literally clear, that's how deep one, man.
No, it's just like...
This is like,
Get a video of him going through that.
I need to go for there.
Come on, Jack. Does it open up?
Aye.
Oh, it opens up!
Aye.
Fucking hell, go on, have an explore, record it. What a legend! What a legend! What an absolute fucking legend, I'm not even joking.
I want to keep on the hole.
Be safe and have an explore, Jack. Okay, have a look.
What do you think I'll go through? No.
We need to speak back to her at some point. Right back.
Has everyone got a pickaxe? Has everyone got a fortune-free pickaxe? Aye. I found some emeralds as well. We're in the mountain biome.
Dave, I'm coming!
Oh, it's gonna be a tight squeeze one, yeah.
It gets narrow in there. Towards the end.
I think this is kind of where it stops, you know.
Just make sure you're fucking not coming back, Lauren.
Hi, can you imagine mountain rescuing?
No, seriously.
Dave! Gary Tunner!
This is not like those horrors where it's like filmed on a fucking camera. It's like this. It's like this is like the start of the film where they're all excited.
That's kind of cool, that. I'm through.
I wouldn't advise going past the next bit, like.
Yeah,
There's no more, is there?
Nah. Oh, nah.
They couldn't have stashed many things in here.
Nah, you can probably find a chest or
I
shit.
can't wait to crawl back.
Whenever you do crawl back, I'm going to crawl in if that's it, like.
Yeah, I'm gonna need my clothes in a washing machine. Start. Oh yeah.
Am I out? Does someone have got me head? Oh, God.
Oh my god, that's Poppy!
You know, it's all about. I'll lose shit on me pockets and that.
Oh, right, let's go. What's it like in there then?
It's sick.
Shine the light around because I can't see anything. Oh, mint.
That's kind of where it stops.
And is that like a little stash hole there where you can like...
There's like a way to like put it in there.
Mint. That is mint, like. Alright, nice one getting through, like. Like I say, my fat ass wouldn't get past this guy. My fat ass is not getting through here.
Alright, I'll pull it back through.
You're good to go, Jack. Alright.
Fuck, alright, you can get through.
Why aye.
Army cadets coming in clutch.
That's it, got to get let back crawl, let's go. Yeah, You can get up there. You need to like, step forward a little bit as well so you don't hit your arse on the... You can stand up now. Swap. Thank you.
That's some good footage for you, like.
Oh, it will be like... But I've already... Second time I've came to this bit of hole in the ground. I've enjoyed it. Oh look, there's even some modern graffiti just scraped into the mud here. So I scrape a Miggly in. So a bit of mud I can scrape a Miggly in. Miggly! Say, in thousands of years' time, someone will dig this up and be like, who's this Miggly boy? And I'll be like, not me. Hey. Right. Let's get back out of here. That's all it really realistically takes is for me to spot one spider and then dude. There we have it. The Catamaran hole. Like I say, we've all reached the end. This was obviously these rocks were touching, and the way the Earth's tectonic plates move around, they moved apart. Now this area of the planet's very stable now when it comes to tectonic plate movements, but it wasn't back in the day. That's why there's the Scottish Highlands from all of the mountains and volcanoes that used to be. And there's a lot of awesome geology around in Scotland, but we're not in Scotland, we're in England. Definitely part of the leftovers of Scotland. But for now, I think I'm going to brave that bloody warm world out there. I don't know if I want to because I've become accustomed to the temperature in here. It's nice and cool. Oh, right. Let's get back out anyway. We'll see what the crack is. Let's get up. Oh, it's warm already. Oh, there's the warmth. Hello, sun. Oh, hello. Hello, sun. Whew. The wind's nice, but it's a warm one. It's a warm one. I might chill out in the cave for a bit. and then head back to the bar. Anyway, for now it's windy. I'll see you, Beaut.
Harry Van, of course you went focus.
Harry Van, let's get to you. Let's get to you. You know what I love about this little hole in the ground and the track to it? I think you walk over the hole like 2 or 3 times before you actually get to it on the path. What a beaut. Now, through the heather, back to the van. Of course, I was just about to say, I'm trying to stop while the wind died down, but I'll go ahead, I'll forge ahead. I wanted to stop and appreciate the beauty. You got the North Sea over there, you got some hills over there. But what could you want? Blue skies? Look at them blue skies. The sun's actually doing something. Bloody well done, son. Oh no, the sheep are moving my way en masse. Oh no! Quick, back to the van. The sheep are coming. The sheep are coming. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Look at them, they're just looking at us. Oh no, they're coming. It's going to be a close one. Oh no. Quick, we've got to beat the sheep. Oh, look at them go. They're here. Oh, shite. Let's go, fucking sheep. Right, update on the sheep. I think I beat them. There's probably only 100 metres in it, if that. There they are, sheep doing their trail. Now you can flock in peace, flock as merrily as you like. I don't mind sleep. I like the repairs done on this road here. I genuinely like it as well. He just chucked some rocks in. Oh, there you go. Road is good as new. You can get your horse and carriage doing your knee bother. And that's all you need. So you just thread your wheel on your carriage through this gap. You just go whoop. Oh, what do you do here though? You need to deploy some rocks. You might get your bloody carriage wheel stuck in there. You didn't want that. You didn't want that. You might break your carriage wheel on those rocks. You might want to level this out and I'll get some rocks in here. This is definitely not a beginner carriage trail, like. I wouldn't be, this wouldn't be my first carriage trail, I'll tell you that.
Oh, there's a few dips and oh, aye.
It'd be quite a nice carriage trail regardless, once you got your skills up, once you're a bit of an advanced carriage all. Just hang a boot with the sheep. Anyway, I'm going to go before my phone dies. Peace. Here we are, back at the van. Drive up the road here. Hopefully I can find that spot. Well, hopefully that spot's still free. And hopefully these sheep move out the way as well. I'll catch his back wherever I head walking. Cheers! It's warm in here. Oh, he's on the run and all. Go on. He run past the van and all. There they go. And here I go. Question mark. It's always a question mark. Alright, here I go. Oh, yes. Yes, I got the spot. I got the spot. Alright. Now it's time to open the doors and chill out. Let's go. Oh, yes.
Big Miggly! Right. Oh, let's get out of this moist hole.
We're pretty much at the top now.
Now let's have a look. I completely missed this, but my sister saw it. Let's see what's in here. There's a little logbook. Ah, you got a pen. Got some shells. Not sure what this is like. Is this a fucking vape? You've got a vape in here just in case you need to vape in the cave. A couple of shells, a fucking battery terminal. Hey, and yeah, I imagine some people are out there. I would go through the dates here. It looks like there's a 99 there. Oh fuck it, let's have a quick look here, let's have a look. Ooh, see when me wait visited, noticed that their names are on the walls although they'd never been there. That was 2020. The joys. Either something that's ruined here or is old. This might be the one that's got 99 on it. Not that in there. Is this the one that had 99?
Yeah.
Aye. 25th of the 2nd, 99. And then a fucking 23 there. Not sure how reliable these older ones are like. A lot of 22s and 23s.
That's a good
Here's an old one. 2018, this one. Do you like 2018? It's probably as old as I can see here. Except for some that have 99 and 80 odd written on. But whether they're true or not, oh, we'll have to see. Well, I'm writing on this bit of paper here. If you're ever in this hole, have a look, see if you can see. It won't be Miggly. Let's see if you can see what it is from being on that bit of paper there. I'll read over there.